Hello and welcome to our special feature. Today we dive into the heart of India's tourism capital, Goa. Recently, social media has been abuzz with claims suggesting the decline in tourist footfall during this festive season. But are these allegations grounded in reality? Let's explore the truth behind the buzz and unravel the facts that prove that Goa's tourism industry is thriving more than ever. Let's begin by looking at the numbers. Now, contrary to the narrative of declining tourism, Goa is witnessing record-breaking visitor numbers. Hotels across the state are near full occupancy, beaches are alive with tourists, and the cultural hotspots are buzzing. Visitors are no longer restricting themselves to the popular spots like Anjuna and Kalingut, but are exploring the hidden treasures like the Kerry in the north and Kanakona in the south. The festive season is always a magnet for tourists, but this year the footfall has been remarkable. From vibrant Christmas celebrations to electrifying New Year's Eve parties, Goa continues to attract travelers in droves. So where did these claims of reduced tourism originate? A dubious survey by the China Economic Information Center seems to have sparked the false narrative. Amplified by social media influencers, these claims painted an inaccurate picture. On one hand, these influencers highlighted the rising hotel and flight costs as reasons for low tourist interest. On the other hand, they claimed Goa's beaches and streets were deserted. Now, these contradictory statements lack any factual basis and seem designed more for clicks and shares than truth-telling. The true state of Goa's tourism sector can be seen in its revenue numbers. Now, December 2024 marked an economic high point, with the state recording an additional 75.51 crore rupees in revenue compared to December 2023. For the period from April to December 2024, Goa's total revenue hit rupees 4,014.77 crores and rupees 365.43 crores higher than the same period last year. Now, these figures include a 9.62% increase in GST revenue, reflecting robust economic activity. A 6.41% rise in VAT collections, indicating thriving consumer spending fueled by tourism. Now, this data highlights the immense vitality of Goa's tourism-driven economy. Goa continues to charm both domestic and international tourists. For Indian travelers, it's a mix of sun-soaked beaches, historic landmarks, and lively markets makes it a perennial favorite. International tourists are drawn to its serene coastal retreats, vibrant nightlife, and rich cultural heritage. From adventure sports enthusiasts to wellness seekers, Goa offers something for everyone. Offbeat destinations, eco-tourism initiatives, and boutique experiences have further expanded its appeal, making it one of the most sought-after destinations worldwide. Misinformation about Goa's tourism can have damaging consequences. It undermines the efforts of thousands of stakeholders who contribute to this vibrant sector, from hoteliers to restaurateurs to tour operators and local artisans. Such falsehoods can erode traveler confidence, impacting the livelihoods of many. The idea that Goa's tourism is on a decline is nothing more than a myth. In reality, Goa is thriving, evolving, and breaking records. With its bustling beaches, thriving nightlife, and expanding offbeat offerings, the state continues to be a beacon of India's tourism industry. For those planning a trip, rest assured, Goa's charm remains as magnetic as ever. Its coastal beauty, cultural richness, and unmatched vibrancy await to offer memories that last a lifetime. Stay tuned for more updates as we keep uncovering the truths that matter. This is Divya Sharma signing off. Thanks for watching.